Hello travelers, welcome to my channel.
And today we're gonna take a look at the City Adventurer large duffel bag by Lululemon. Is this a good quality bag? Is it worth the price? Well, let's dive in. So starting off with the materials on this bag, we've got 100% of body nylon and 100% recycled polyester. It's water repellent, by the way, and as you can see, looks very durable. Let's take a look at the exterior and interior pockets. Everything looks very good. This duffel has a trolley compatible sleeve, which is very convenient for traveling. Now let's start packing, and as you can see, I have a lot of stuff. We will start from the bottom compartment, just in case this compartment uses the same space as main bag, just separated. Unfortunately, there is no additional outside pocket for a water bottle. I would definitely like to have this bag in gray because the white dust is very noticeable on this color material. Now let's compare the sizes of this weekender bag with carry-on luggage and a suitcase. As you can see, the trolley sleeve easily fits over the handles of suitcases. The shoulder strap slips a little bit. Overall, this Lululemon bag is pretty good. I really like the quality of the bag's materials. It fits everything you need for a gym, a weekend trip, or as an additional travel bag. It has a lot of pockets and will easily fit under a seat on an aeroplane, and I think it's a really great gift, especially for people who travel pretty often.